Almost every story of great success begins with two beliefs. The future can be better than the present, and you have the power to make an impact. We have the power to make an impact. 2016 was a year of remarkable successes. Some would say the Hardee's dream for our very foundation as a resort was just as unimaginable as it was unachievable. But they don't know Joe and Maggie, and they don't know the heartbeat of this resort, our people. There were key decisions, major investments, groundbreakings, earth-moving deadlines, just plain earth-moving. But at the end, the very end, a whole lot of oohs and ahs. A wow factor was achieved. There were more 5 diamonds, and again 5 stars. There were 18 new holes, and not to mention over 100,000 tulips. There were new faces, behind-the-scenes changes, and then there was that single rose. When Nemacolin made its debut on ABC's The Bachelorette, 222 countries, 13.7 million viewers, over 400 million impressions. In 2 hours, it was no longer who or what is Nemacolin, but let's go now. 2016, you were one heck of a year. But 2017, well, we like the sound of you already.